is up, everybody? Welcome back to an episode of Ford Era. We are here at Gap, and this is my buddy Garrett.
How's it going?
So they don't know you, and they don't know where we're at. They do know Snickers.
Oh yeah. This is the headquarters of GA Performance, also known as Gap. All we do is custom Ford Lightnings. I mean, if you want custom parts, this is where you come to. The era of the Ford Lightning has kind of died out, and we're trying to revamp it and bring it back into life. So.
And the Lightnings are second gen, so you're a big second gen.
So I do first gen too, but a lot of people kind of know me for the second gen. We will be coming out with custom parts for the first gen as well, just haven't gotten there yet. So we haven't forgotten about you guys.
Yeah, and so we were talking, and Snickers has a 7.3 Godzilla in it. As you guys know, Mass Motorsports, we built it, so it's got rods, pistons, everything's been built up for boost. And the reason why I say it's been built up for boost is we need boost.
Oh yeah.
And that's what you are really good at, is boost.
Oh yeah. Supercharge everything.
So back here, we got us a Whipple, and we're gonna be getting it installed, but not in this video. This video is actually really just to show you guys all the cool stuff here at GA Performance. So why don't we show them a little bit about all the trucks?
Yeah, we do some coyote swapping too as well. This is a Gen 1 for a customer. We're coming out with different brackets to kind of make the whole swap easier, figuring out fuel rail brackets, power steering pump brackets, fuse panel brackets. Just coming up with different little knick-knack things that honestly will just make it look so much cleaner. So that's coyote swapping. We're doing GT500 blowers on this one. This is going to get a Whipple 3.4 on a 2-valve Lightning. We ran into some issues, so we're trying to address those issues now so that it makes it easier for you guys as a kit later on. Just put it in and go, and no big deal. We have JC's frame here that just came back from powder coat. This is Ford Tuxedo Black. His truck is Black Nasty. I think anybody that follows him knows the truck or knows the name. So we're gonna get rolling on this one as well. Lots of custom parts are gonna be going on this. And yeah, and then we've got Snickers.
Well, we also have all the cool stuff outside. We might need to go show them.
Yeah, we had to clear some room to get that in, and let's go show.
Dude, I'm just so jealous of the air conditioning. I might just have to start hanging out here all the time because of it.
Oh, it's nice. Dual AC.
Ooh, blower essential.
Oh yeah, blowers for everything. This is kind of what we've been modeling all the parts that we're making. We have the fuel pressure regulator bracket, and we have the reverse cam system that's going to allow you to get rid of your OEM cable that wraps around the front and put in a different cable and just straight pull from the back. Kind of cleans up the engine bay. It's not so much performance, but it is cleaning it up and making it look nice.
Gotta have a little mix of both.
Oh yeah.
And this was what I thought was so cool when I rolled up. Just everywhere.
So if anybody saw the truck in the black truck in the back, that is the 4x4 that's going to get its frame, and we're gonna make an all-wheel drive GT350 6R80 Ford Lightning.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Dude, that is gonna be awesome.
So that's just the donor. We have fully built 3.4 Whipple T56 all-wheel drive.
No way.
So it's gonna burn up a lot of clutches, so we figured that one out.
Which all-wheel drive is on it? Modern?
It's going to be.
Going to
We haven't done it yet.
Gotcha.
So that's what that's getting. That's what that customer is waiting for.
Dude,
this is actually my daily. I drive this one every single day.
Well, tell me about her. She looks beautiful.
There's absolutely nothing done to it.
That's why it's reliable.
It's reliable. It's completely stock. It's just it's dirty, but it's just a clean black F150 when it is clean.
Dude.
Nothing done to it. I can drive wherever I need to.
I love it. I love the wing. Just clean interior. Everything's just.
Yeah.
She's locked. It's all right. Yeah. Man, how many miles?
The engine is brand new.
Okay.
But the body has 170 on it.
Nice. It looks really nice.
Customers just kind of go through, so just get everything straightened out, and then we got the price over here. So this is Gen 3 Coyote 10R80 swap supercharged.
Whew. So this is pretty much the holiest of grails right now. Dude, that looks so nice. You got JC's valve covers on there, all the goodies. Ooh.
So, custom heat exchanger. We were trying to aim for 1,000 cubic foot core of heat exchanger, and we're only able to fit 700 in here. We figured that would still be enough, but yeah. So this is actually has 20 AN feeding the whole system, and it drops to 16 AN for dual in, dual out.
Dude, I love that. It looks so clean. And it sounds even better. He started it up for us before. I'll include that for you guys. Right? Doesn't this thing just blow your mind? I love it. Now I can't wait to get my Expedition back. He was giving me a hard time. Why'd I send it all the way to Texas? And I was like, cause Gumby's awesome. Man, this thing looks like so much fun. Got the Ford ding ding ding. Gotta love it. Heck yeah. So where can everybody go if they don't know where to check you out?
I have a website for parts that you can buy, www.gaperformancellc.com. And you guys can check me out on Facebook or Instagram. GA Performance on Facebook and GA Performance _LLC on Instagram.
And you're gonna see us installing and doing all the fun stuff on Snickers. So if you guys want to see that, make sure that you subscribe. Drop a comment below. Let me know, what do you think about all this stuff? And we didn't even show you this super cool Harley Davidson. But we'll be here. We'll keep talking. We'll show you guys stuff in the future. Like, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.